Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard template in Next.js Bootstrap 5. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the beautiful admin dashboard template in Next.js. See sidebar friends, see beautiful sidebar and the beautiful content section. See guys. Now see the content top section, friends. Beautiful section for sales, orders, customers and income. This activity see guys, transactions, total balance, see friends, recent orders, top selling products as well, and beautiful footer as well. And friends, let me show you its responsiveness. And guys, I must say one thing. I will share the course snippet link tomorrow as well because there is light gone and I have not enough battery as well. So sorry. I will share the code tomorrow as well. See on mobile, iPad. So guys see effectively responsive as well. So friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. And guys, also please contact me via my Twitter blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. On this page, you'll get my email ID and my WhatsApp number as well, and also Upwork. And guys, also a full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis as well. And guys, also on my blog, you will get multiple free things. All are free of cost, and thousands of dashboard as well. See, I'm sure you will like this. See, guys, the multiple dashboards as well. You guys see all the free things you will get on my blog. And guys, in the end, I must say a few things. Please subscribe my channel, support me, and like always, I will share the course snippet link as well inside this video description. And guys, after it, I will come with more free dashboards as well. So guys, please support me as well. And also, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.